What is up, guys? And today I want to talk to you about what you should do before starting a YouTube channel. Instead of rambling about it, I'm gonna show you. Let's go. Hello, Day.
Oh,
Nana ko na siya, Day. Nana siya sa gawas, and then just bring 1,100, Day. 1,080 to ang bill, pero just give him the tip. Okay. Thank you. Woo! I just bought a light stand. Ordered it from Lazada. Now it's here. And so excited to check that out later. But today, let's go to Ayala and show you guys something. Let's go. We are here with Chrisman, and this is what I'm talking to you about. Before you start doing YouTube, you should find people that are already doing it so you could learn from them. And today we'll learn from Chrisman.
Actually, malibog kung din kaniyo.
Why did you start YouTube?
I started YouTube because I just want to back up my videos. Before, on your smartphone, you have 16 gigs of RAM, not storage rather. So I have to back it up through YouTube. And as years goes by, I have my workmate, which is, I forgot his YouTube channel. It has 100K subscribers.
Whoa,
and
100K?
And he's been
What's his channel about?
Pancake Warriors.
But Pancake Warriors, okay.
Yeah, he's just, what do you call this? Bisaya ko.
Yeah, okay.
Drawing, ganun siya sa kuan, pancake, ng mga anime.
Oh, okay.
So he has a lot of subscribers on it, and he's been, actually his income in YouTube is more or less 50,000 per month, which
Whoa.
is,
So he's just doing YouTube right now.
yes, he resigned actually, that was 3 years ago. So that's why I'm actually want to have the YouTube game as my full-time, but
Full-time.
currently it's not because my monetization was removed this year because of the changes.
I'm gonna ask you something about that. As a beginner YouTuber, as my subscriber right now is very low and far from the 1,000 mark, and as you reach already, we know he has around 1,600 subscribers, right?
It's the 1-4.
Wow, 1,400 subscribers. But just last month he gained 200 subscribers in just 1 month. So now, what is the feeling when you're about to get monetized, when your YouTube channel is being reviewed by YouTube to be monetized? So what is the feeling?
It's exciting because I'm still waiting for it. Actually, my channel was monetized before, and I was able to what do you call this, in cash, but I was
Yeah,
able to get money out of it, which was 8,000 pesos. That was last year, but this year
That was just for how many months?
it's just for 6 months.
6 months.
So it's just a passive income.
Yeah, okay.
And for this year, it's under review. Hopefully, at the end of the month, I will be able to get my monetization back, and hopefully, I'll have YouTube as my full-time job. I'll quit my job because it's so stressful.
We all do. We all hope that YouTube will be full timers. Yeah. So guys, check out Chrisman. His YouTube name is XMNN. And you know what, guys? I'm gonna show you his gear. This is what he shoots on. His mobile phone,
Nova 3i.
the Nova 3i. So there's no excuse for you guys to make content. Look at him. He's about to get monetized.
Actually, guys, camera shy goes public.
We're gonna meet up with other YouTubers also. Let's see what the day gives us.
What is up, guys? Hey yo, Ganz Guapo is back and today we are having a reunion today. Oh my, it's very focused. Bisaya na lang ta kay murag mahutan tag English app. Kung imong ikuan guys, kung imong ibalhin no, mulahi ng focus. Ikaw daw kuya.
Guwapo men. Grabihan.
So guys, mausab yung focus guys, murag mga girls, makita na gaglain, mausab na din ang focus. Mao din guys ang ato ang mga vlogger today. This is Kuya Blaire, and this is Kuya Anthony, and this is Kuya Alfie. Francis, and this is Kuya Chrisman, Kuya Ray, Kuya Westlife. Check it out, Westlife. Iharinig ko din. Si ate, kauban sa yang backup vlogger. Alright. Siya pa yung Baladay. Mo na siyang vlogger, o niya mo na yung backup. Alright.
Berkadugay na, di na kay. Retso na. Iyan na. Confident na ka. Basta wa mo kay something wrong nga gibuhat, like for example mag-vlog ko karon ana. Kita ka na ko mag-vlog, di ba? Pakis mga tao ni karon ako, storya ko I'm talking to Dini, tan-aw ko diri. Wala kong tan-aw sa. Bawo ka ba? Ay, gawo. Oh, kami tanaw ka rin kamera ha. Oh, gwapo kay kamera. Kanyon.
Manuel Patterson.
We'll see you again next time, December.
Wala akong vlog. YouTuber na. Channel mo. Christmas.
Hi, XMNN. Link below. Got goals, guys. Subscribe. Keep rising. Link below.
Subscribe mo sa ako.
Hi guys, Cebu Life. Edmund here from Cebu Life. So check out my channel. Subscribe.
And then B-roll model. See you guys next time.
Wala lagi ko. Hey yo, Ganz Guapo is here. And please like and subscribe to my videos just here guys. And click the link below. Boom! Power!
Alright guys, see you guys. Alright guys, those are the people from Cebu Vlog Squad. It's our first time meeting them. And that's what I was talking to you about guys. Be with the people with the same passion as you have. And you can also learn from them, learn from their experience. And shorten your learning curve. And that's it guys. That's the number one thing you should do before starting YouTube. I just want to say thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe, and also follow the links that I posted below in the description. See you in the next one. Peace.